All right, let's see it.
Is that your man? I don't know if it's the sticker's a lot bigger. Chairman, yeah.
Oh, that's gonna look so good. It's gonna look so good.
So good. We'll say hi.
Hey, Ronnie.
Woo! Dude, you're an Instagram thought now.
What's up? Anyway, this is what we're working on. We just finished working on the BMW, trying to get it cranked. Didn't work. So we're
Switch to a different pilot.
switching over to the 240. Drift season's coming up for us, and we got the hard body over here, and it's looking pretty good. It's rolling pretty good. I think you're dailying it, right?
Yeah.
So yeah,
For the most part,
it's at
like-
least daily status.
I daily it unless I have to go out of town. Then I take the black truck. So, for the most part, yeah.
Anyways, what's going on with the 240? What's happening?
There's something up with the suspension up front. So when you hit the brakes, it goes. So I think either a coilover's loose, or a control arm, or a tension rod. Something's loose on the front. It feels like it's on the driver's side. So we're just gonna put it up in the air, look underneath, grab all the arms, see if anything's loose, tighten it up, and hopefully that's it. If we gotta order parts, then we'll order some parts, and there will be a part 2 to this video.
That sounds real simple. I'm hoping it's something real simple, like one bolt. Just
Yeah.
tighten one bolt and nut, and we're done. That's what I'm hoping for. Anyways,
But it
we'll
is
get
a
to that.
Nissan.
Yeah, right.
All right,
You
Ted.
going, Ted?
I'm going.
Everybody, Ted's leaving for the day. Say bye. Bye, Ted. Go and get Ted. We're done. We're done with you, Ted. Go and get. We've said bye. We're done with you.
I'm going to my parents' house. He's too cool for us.
Dude, he's way too cool for us.
This car is such a pile.
Yeah, it is. That's every 240SX in the world. Even the prettiest ones have smashed freaking subframe rails and like all kinds of crap, dude.
What's underneath the car don't matter.
They have like eBay arms. Like the prettiest ones you can think of have freaking eBay arms, dude.
Dude, so if it's bushings, I'm like on the fence of ordering like.
Hey, jack that up. I'm trying to record this shit, dude. And so I can speed it up without having you talking 1,000 friggin' seconds of the video.
What are y'all doing to this?
Just trying to say kind of the same thing we're doing with the other one, just diagnosing a problem. We've got a clunk in the front end, so we're just gonna see what's clunking. It could be a coilover, it could be a bunch of different things. So we're gonna look at the bushings, look at the coils, look at stuff like that. Oh man, that's terrible. That's gonna crush that fucking thing right there. That's bad placement.
Don't give a shit.
Oh, don't do it. Oh, I see it just sinking in, dude. Alright, we're there. Dang.
Yep, it's good.
Yep, that's good enough for a 240. Dang, Ronnie works quick. Let's get down here and see what he's talking about. See what he thinks he's talking about. Oh, he's not down here. But I'm looking.
Okay.
Alright, let's see. What we got? Ooh, dang, that's nasty. We got a lot of wiggle in that lower control arm right there.
Yeah, so let's get the wheel off.
Dude, you see this thing that's like smashed right here?
What? Yeah, remember the car when it was like so low when we got it?
Yeah.
So,
Those have been smashed like that since then?
yeah. So the oil pan, this is from the sway bar when it fell off and it dented the oil pan. Boom! And then it fell off and it went underneath the car and got stuck in between the subframe and the oil pan.
I remember that.
But if you look, like the whole frame route all the way down the car has been scraped on both sides.
Yeah.
The whole bottom right here, the subframe's all scraped up. The oil pan's got scrapes on
It's
it.
that low life, son.
Dude, it was so low when we got it. You remember that? We picked it up and it was like half an inch off.
I remember
the
when the
ground.
sway bar came off.
My
So,
driveway.
so what do we do about this, about all this play in here?
I think we can just order a bushing set. I don't know. I want to get the tire off and look up in there.
Okay.
But there should be a bushing in
Is this
there.
one doing the same thing?
No, this one's solid. This one's solid.
Okay.
So that one's all loosey-goosey.
All right, well, let's get the tire off and we'll see. All right, let's see what we got here.
I'm just trying to see if there's like a bushing in there. Yeah, it's all chewed up.
Is it?
Yeah,
Let me get over there and see. All right, folks. Let's see if we can see this bushing in here. It's all chewed up.
See it all chewed up in
All
there.
right, hang on. Let it focus. Give it a second. God, it takes forever for this thing to focus. Oh, there it is. Yep, we see that.
So it's chewed up, but this nut is loose.
Oh, so you might could just tighten it up.
Yeah, so we're gonna throw the impact on it. And
We're just gonna get it good and tight, and we're gonna take it. We're gonna send it. Yep, that's what we're doing. Good and tight. We're gonna send it. We're gonna go drifting. Probably super unsafe. We don't care. We're going drifting. Is that it?
Yep.
Oh, we got a connector down.
I think it's good now.
What's that connector for?
I don't know. You want to cut it off? I think it goes.
All right. We're about to christen the 240.
Wiper, dude.
Hey, shut up. This is the best one I could find, an old spoo drag.
That's literally what it looks like.
We're about to christen the 240 and put our first local loser sticker on it. But Ronnie's taking forever.
I need a dry cloth because it's still wet.
Dang. Well, hang on. All right, let's see it.
Oh man, I don't know if I cleaned it. The sticker's a lot bigger.
Jeremy, yeah.
Oh, that's going to look so good. It's going to look so good.
So good.
Say hi.
Alright, if it's crooked, that's just the local loser's way.
Up.
By calling ourselves the losers, we can do anything that we want.
Exactly.
That's awesome. Good call. And, of course, it's cricket. Nice.
I even tried. Like, it looked like it was good, and then all of a sudden it was like, no, I'm real
Yep.
close.
Good job, Ronnie.
Maybe it's because the lips angled, I think.
Whatever. Ronnie's trying to think of some excuses. So dumb. All right. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, go.
Where am I going?
Nowhere.
I saw
You're
my
talking.
dirty
We're
hands.
going. Yeah. Ronnie thinks he did some work because he got his hands dirty today. I got.
Were your hands
one-
dirty?
Look, I got one piece. I got some dirt right there. That's what. That's
You
from
have dirt
shooting
on the
video.
back of your head,
That's
too.
from,
So.
Look at that. That's from shooting video. It's hard work. So we finished up on the 240. It went way quicker than we thought.
It's kind of like after working on the BMW and being disappointed that we couldn't get anything done, finding something so quick and easy on the 240.
Yeah, dude.
was
Vindication.
nice.
Yeah, dude. So
Feels better.
we found that control arm. It was loose. It's got a torn up bushing. We just tightened it up so it's super good and tight. In the meantime, we're gonna order bushings to replace
Oh, we are?
that with. Yes, we are. We gotta be safe on the drift track.
And they don't check that. We just gotta make sure our lug nuts are
Right.
tight.
We just have to make sure our battery's tied down. That's it. Anyway, if you see us at the track, do not attempt to tandem with us.
Our wheel might fall off.
We'll kill us. We'll kill us all. I'll kill us both. I'll kill us everybody. Anyways, so the hard body's dailyable, and the 240 is running. It's running fine. It's probably dailyable. So
Hey, can you order me coilovers for the 240? Or for the hard drive?
yeah, if you can give me some money.
Yeah, I got cash right now. I'll keep money right now.
Anyways, so we said in the BMW video, the last video we posted, that we wanted to tell us what you wanted us to see in the BMW. What
Yeah.
you wanted to see us put in the BMW. So keep up with that. Like, comment and tell us, like, interesting engines. We want interesting. We don't want crap. We don't want. Well, it doesn't matter. Just
No
whatever.
LS swaps.
No LS swaps. It's too obvious. Too obvious. No SR20 swaps.
Yeah, I'm trying
It's
to
too
keep the car,
obvious.
like, functional, per se. Is that the right word?
Functional, interesting.
Like, I'm not trying to make 300 horsepower in the car. Like, 150, maybe 200 max.
So we're talking about like a 2002 Hyundai Accent motor.
Just something rear wheel drive.
Yeah,
so
something
it's
rear
easy
wheel.
to put in.
Anyways, we're done with the 240 video.
Put tires.
Hopefully, one of the next couple videos you'll see will be a video of us drifting. We're gonna have some in car, we're gonna have some on car, and we'll have some from the stands probably.
Yeah.
Some good video of us drifting.
We'll have to get somebody to go with us. So if anybody wants to go with us and be a cameraman for the stands,
Right on. Come
hit us
on.
up.
Oh, we also play Fortnite. Hit us up.
Yeah, you do that too.
What up, son? We'll see y'all later.
Hex stickers that we can sell people.
Our own. Ooh, tech inspection stickers?
Yeah, where they say like local losers racing club or something like that. We got one on the hard body that we can use as a test thing.
Dude, it'd be
This
funny if we
or
could
the
use like
square?
the Mario Kart font.
The square?
Yeah, that's fine. That works. Works for me, dude. Like I said, we're the losers. We can do whatever we want. Crooked, straight, whatever's.
It's official.